Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. As we all know, plain sarees are how much in trend these days, but for a remarkable look, we need to work out on our blouse patterns, how we should design our blouse with a plain saree. So in this video, we are going to discuss a few designs which are really in trend these days with a jewelry pattern too. So let's continue watching the video till the end. So my first one is to wear a contrast color blouse, a printed one with a sleeveless pattern and a very thin strip in the shoulder side and a deep neck with a black metal choker like set. For a more impressive look, along with the contrast color blouse, you can also experiment with the sleeve patterns. Like here you can see a V-neck shaped blouse with a double layered ruffled sleeves pattern. If you likes to wear a 3/4 sleeves blouse pattern, then this is the best design you can try. Here they had given a boat neck pattern and they had given a frill sleeves. In the bottom of the sleeve they had added a frill. So this is another very beautiful pattern. Another striking combination you can try with your plain saree is wearing a shimmer fabric blouse with a sleeveless pattern, of course. Another brilliant combination you can try out with your plain saree is wearing a lighter shade blouse with the same color of your saree and make this type of puff sleeves pattern and add a strip in the bottom of your sleeves with the saree's fabric. It's a very classic and never-ending fashion to wear a matching color saree blouse combination, but to fusion it further, nowadays people are wearing a plain silk saree with a sheen fabrics blouse pattern. You can make a simple blouse like this. Apart from the matching color saree blouse combination, you can also try this type of contrast color blouse with a silk saree and make a blouse with a sheen fabric only. It's not always necessary to wear a silk saree with a silk blouse only. You can try this type of cotton blouse also with your silk saree and add a same matching color saree's strip in the bottom of the sleeves. So this is again a very beautiful pattern of a 3/4 sleeve with a frills. You can also try this type of inverted puff sleeves pattern. Here the pleats are not given in the shoulders, it is given in the bottom of the sleeve pattern, and adding a contrast color slip in the bottom is also a very beautiful way to decorate the sleeves. If you are having a plain double shaded saree, then adding both the colors in your blouse is again a very noticeable pattern you can try. Like you can see in the pic, they had added a different color strip, a pleated strip in the bottom of the sleeve, and the blouse is of different colors. So this is again a beautiful pattern you can try. For a dramatic look with your plain chiffon or georgette saree, you can try this type of printed white blouse and make a sleeveless blouse with a little bit of frills in the strip. For a party wear look with your plain chiffon or georgette saree, you can try this type of organza fabrics blouse with a one shoulder pattern and you can make the sleeves like this bell bottom style. So this is again a very fancy outfit you can try with your simple plain saree, and this don't need any necklace to wear, just long earrings will go well. So hope you find this video a bit useful. If you do, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.